to change story highlight privacy settings. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application and then go to your profile icon. After you reach your profile page, what you will have to do is tap on the collection or the featured photo. Then tap on the three dot. Then go to edit featured collection. Since you can see there is no such feature as changing its privacy settings, but you have got one way in order to remove it from the public appearance. That is deleting it. Simply tap on the three dot, save the photo if you need it, and then simply tap on delete featured collection, select OK, and it will no longer be appearing in your featured or public space. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.